Today, I'll show you how to safely test a circuit breaker using a digital multimeter. But before we start, remember, working with electricity can be dangerous. If you're unsure about any step, please call a licensed electrician. Safety is the top priority. Here's what you'll need: a digital multimeter, an insulated screwdriver, and personal protective equipment like safety glasses and insulated gloves. These are important to protect yourself while working with electrical components. First, identify the breaker you want to test. Maybe it's been tripping or you suspect it's faulty. It's important to make sure the breaker is clearly labeled so you know exactly which one you're testing. Set your multimeter to the AC voltage setting. For most homes in the US, you'll be looking for around 120 volts. In other countries, it's typically closer to 230 volts. If you're testing a high-voltage circuit, ensure your multimeter can handle that range. Carefully place the red probe on the screw terminal of the breaker and the black probe on the neutral bar. If the breaker is working, your multimeter should read the correct voltage. With the breaker switched off and the main power off for safety, set your multimeter to continuity mode. Place one probe on the load terminal and the other on the bus bar connection point. A continuous beep or low resistance means the breaker's contacts are functioning properly. If you get zero or unstable voltage when the breaker is on, or no continuity when it's off, the breaker is likely faulty and needs to be replaced. It's essential to replace the breaker with one of the same type and rating to ensure proper functionality and safety. And that's how you test a circuit breaker with a digital multimeter. Always take safety seriously and never work on live circuits unless necessary. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more home repair tips.